Outback today. It's been raining steadily all morning. You can see the drain over there is about halfway full. The water is flowing very nicely, very nicely. A little bit of trash washed up. We'll take care of that when it dries up next week. Show you. There's the drain. And I'm standing over here where I was at yesterday next to that tree. And it's flowing right on by me. I've never seen it this far down before. It has been raining a lot overnight and this morning. Look at that. I'm kind of standing on this island here with water on both sides. I guess it was a very heavy downpour last night. There's a lot of branches down, a lot of debris. Let me get back over here and I will try to follow this as far down as I can. Man, this water is just beautiful. Oh wow, it's washed a lot of grass up over here. Wow. That stream is joining this one. That is beautiful. I would love to wade in this right now, but I'm not sure I've cleaned up all the glass yet. Blast it. I don't think I can get over there, guys. But just look at that. And then it's flowing down my path into the woods. I wonder if we can go around this. It's fairly muddy where I'm standing here. Y'all, if I step in a mud hole, at least I have flip-flops to change into on my desk. Oh, wow. Let's see if we can creep around the back way here. Y'all, I have been waiting for the day to see the water flowing naturally. Gotta get back over there. Let's get back around here. Wow, look how bright it is on that side. The crop fields are over there, guys. Just over that rise, there's a field of something. But I want to get back through here to where the water's flowing. Just a few branches. Low hanging right now. I'm gonna break my way through here. Wow. Oh, look, it's even flowing back here where I'm at. Oh, it's starting to sprinkle on me. Gotta step up the pace. Okay, this is where the grass was all matted down at one time. You can see further up my trail. There's a little bit of a blockage right here. I wonder if I could help ease that.